Hi guys! If you love apples, then you would definitely love this deliciously easy cinnamon apple cake. So keep watching. This apple cake is packed with fresh grated apples and cinnamon and drizzled with milk glaze. You know, apples and cinnamon are really a match made in heaven. You need 3 apples. You can use any kind of apple you like. Cut and discard the cud. You need to peel and then grate the apples. If you're new on this channel, welcome, and if you love to know more about baking, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notification for weekly updates. After grating, add 4 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix it well, then set aside. In another bowl, add 3 eggs and 70 grams of brown sugar, then mix together. Add 50 grams of melted butter. And half cup of milk. Add 160 grams of flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it well, then add the grated spiced apples to it. Pour it into an 8-inch pan lined with baking paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. For the milk glaze, add 30 grams of icing sugar and 1 tablespoon of milk. Once the cake is done, let it cool for a while, but not completely, because you want to pour the milk glaze over the warm cake so it can soak it up. Drizzle the milk glaze over the apple cake and let it soak for a while, then serve. If you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And to those that enjoyed the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe.